Hello students, I am Shoma Ghosh and welcome to our English learning class. Today we are going to do something from the grammar chapter. As you have done the simple, complex and compound, so we have learned something on how to make the simple sentences, and this is here a process how to make the simple sentence. Okay, so we'll come to that part of the non-finite verbs that we can call the infinite verbs. Also we can call the infinitives. The things are same as you are reading from any other books, you are trying any different books. So there you can find out somewhere it is written as non-finite verbs, it is written as infinite verbs, and somewhere it is written as infinitives. So they are just the same, remember it. So what are the works of the non-finite verbs or infinite verbs? Okay, it's just opposite to the finite verbs. I'm just telling you, I've written about the definition of the simple definition, obviously not to remember, just to understand that the what is non-finite. But because before that I just want to tell you what the finite verbs. Actually finite verb works as a central thing that completes a sentence. Okay, so here non-finite verbs, by the name you can understand that it is opposite to the finite verbs. It is the thing, it is a verb, what kind of a verb that cannot complete a sentence. So I have written can't complete a sentence alone. So remember that, can't complete a sentence alone. So it is necessary, but without the finite verb it cannot do anything. So it depends on the finite verbs to be completed. So it is used in the sentence, but without the finite verb it is useless. Okay, so it needs a assistant. It needs a boss, and that is the finite verb. So you have read already about the what is finite verb. Today I will tell you about what are the parts of the infinite verbs. So infinitives are divided into the 4 parts. Among them they are closely related. First one that we can tell as infinitive to. Yes, it is written as infinitive to. How it is used? To sits before a basic verb and then it is used as infinitive to. Okay, the uses are not here, it will be discussed later. Next one is the participle. So it is divided into 2 sub parts, that is the present participle and participle. Present participle are just, and when we add the ing form with it, it's not the continuous tense. In the continuous tense auxiliary verb comes first, then the main verb comes. But here it is only used alone, okay, by using ing after it in the present participle. In the past participle it is the en form of the verb. That means added. You are finding that it is added, ed form is there. So where is en? Now I just want to tell you, be, that is amizar, was where in the past tense, and been, ben. So en is adding. Actually it is the en form of the verb. Okay, so it is called the past participle form of the verb. Okay, now come to the gerund part of the verbal now, which will be discussed later. These are used just like a noun. When you will see that it will be like a noun. It will be used as a noun. So come to the part why to use the infinitives. I have written 2 of it that I use for it. To make simple sentence from compound and the complex, we need the infinitives to know why we should use the infinitives. Next, to join the sentences. If there are so many sentences, small sentences, so we have to join these sentences into a single sentence, into a simple sentence, then we should use the infinitives to join the finite verbs into the infinite verbs. Okay students, so we will discuss later about that infinitive to and the rest of the part. Bye bye, see you again.